Okay, this is another video of AdStrim business model search result in 20 seconds. In this video, we want to talk about the tool that actually help you add microformats to a page. So yeah, let's start with the Yelp search. So this is actually that Yahoo search that we did, and here is the Yelp one, and here is another one. And you see that these two are different because this one has, microformat. So for example, if I click here and go to that Yelp page, and if I highlight, the address and look at the source, use source. So you see that it actually has this span class equal to street address, and this is that microformat for the address, for the street address that we're talking about. But if we basically go back and look at the other link, which is, let's say, this link. This link, if you look at the address, it doesn't have that. So if I highlight that and the selection source, you will see that it actually doesn't have anything. It just says div ID equal to address. And so the idea is that, can we write an XSLT that read this, look for this one, and basically convert it to that, span class equal to street address, and add that piece here. So the idea is we use a plugin that something like a Firebug. So when you actually start Firebug, and move your mouse around, you will see that every one of these pieces will be highlighted. So it highlights every basically HTML segment, and then the idea is then you right click on that, and you see something like that you put your mouse over this area, it basically draw a box around it. That means that this is one div, and this is div equal ID something, and then if you leave your mouse there for a while, it actually opens something like that, and you can add one of these tags. And by adding that, it means that it will add the span class equal to street address or something. And so in that way, somebody will go there and basically add here or there microformats and save it and click save. And when it clicks save, it will actually create the XSLT of how to convert this HTML page, which doesn't have any microformat, with the one which has a microformat. So at the end, if you go through this site, and because this one represents not one basically page, but a whole category of, basically one category of page, which is, for example, a page of, restaurants in every cities. In that way, then you can create basically a rule that for every URL with this pattern, apply this XSLT. So that means that a proxy, we can develop a proxy that, for example, if we go to a URL of the insider page .adstream.com, this will be a proxy that we actually get the page from the basically from the insider page.com, and because we will see that, okay, so this is a specific page that we already had XSLT for that, then we apply XSLT and then return the page with the microformat. And so in a way, a site such as insider page can try this proxy and see if that works, and if everything worked for the insider page, then he can actually change the underlying basically code to add microformat. So in a way, it's a trial for that site, and once he see the benefits of adding microformat.